Hello there, this is just going to be a quick video about how to import material items from Microsoft Excel in the SharpeSoft Estimator. This process is going to be applicable as well for labor and equipment, so you can keep that in mind. But how we're going to start first is I'm going to show you that we have our Excel spreadsheet. This is going to be the basic outline for what SharpeSoft is going to be expecting when an Excel document is being imported. Your document does not have to be exact, of course. Things can be changed during the process, but to just go over it very quickly, we have a group code, group description, a subgroup code and description, if applicable, a unique material code as well as a material description, and then finally cost, unit of measure, and vendor information code and description. Now, if you're like me and you're working in the cloud, before we can import our Excel document into the estimator, we have to first send the document into the cloud. And as a reminder, how we're going to do that is that we're going to open the cloud toolbar up here. We're going to click this button to send from PC to server. We're going to find our document. I've already got it set up here. Okay, a little pop-up is going to appear to show that it's been successfully sent over. So now we can open the tables menu on the toolbar, open the materials, and in this job we have absolutely nothing. You can, of course, add them by hand if you wish, but since we have quite a few, we're going to right-click, import from Excel. This will open up our secondary file transfer over here. Then we're going to find right here, click open. Okay, so this is how we're going to be mapping our different cells during the exports, or the import, excuse me. So if you scroll down, we have many different options for our import information. We have everything set up here. It was a little set up perfectly in the Excel because we had our title cells to tell us what we were looking at. It's recommended that if you can do that, or you can simply start the import from a row after, but looking pretty good right here. So we can just click map by order, which will take every value in this table and send it directly over here. As you can see, it almost matches perfectly. So we could just go find cost. So we can just click and drag until we find it. Okay, and then our unit of measure is going to go right there. Our vendor code is going to go right there, and our vendor description is going to go right there. Okay, we're going to double check just to make sure everything works. Then we'll hit Start Import. Okay, so here's our table after the successful imports. You can scroll down, you can double check to make sure that everything's correct. And like I said before, you can double click in here. You can update any of your vendor information, your taxable identity, your unit costs. But from there, you are pretty much good to go. So we hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.